Hello students, in the last video we learned what is black holes and how during the study of black holes there was a rapidly he was losing very fast control on his body and speech, and even in such a critical condition he continued his research. And then what happened we will see. While doing the study related to the black holes, some ideas are sparked, and with bright ideas he studied the black holes and he made many epoch-making statements that shook established theories. While doing the study of black holes at that time, he made so many epoch-making statements. What is the meaning of epoch-making statements? Here the meaning is given of great importance at a particular period of time. What is meaning of epoch-making? See here, of great importance at a particular period of time. Or we can say see, what is the meaning of epoch-making statements? Of great importance at a particular period of time. In another, we can say likely to have significant effect on a particular period of time. Whatever the theories were already established during that period, even in such a condition, though the theories were established, he made so many statements which had the great importance and which made the significant effect on the particular period of time, the restricted period of time. To explain then, scientists believe that the universe began with a Big Bang. What is the meaning of Big Bang? Scientists believe that universe began with a Big Bang. What is the meaning of Big Bang? Yeah, see. Big Bang see, a rapid, I want to erase it. Big Bang theory, a rapid expansion of matter, a rapid expansion of matter from a state of very extremely high density or temperature which according to current cosmological theories it marked the origin of universe. It marked the origin of universe. There was the point, and when that point blasted at that time, there was the origin of the universe. See, universe, a rapid expansion of the matter from the state of extremely high density and temperature, which according to cosmological theories, it marked the origin of the universe. This is the meaning of the Big Bang. He made so many epoch-making statements that shook established theories, and scientists believe that the universe began with a Big Bang. To explain this concept better, Stephen invented what is known as Lie algebra. Though confined to a Lie wheelchair with no control over his body save a finger and with a computer to help him express his thoughts. Now totally he lost the control on his body. He was 24 hours he was confined to a wheelchair, and so with the help of the computer he made so many discoveries, he expressed so many thoughts. Dr. Hawking is an authority on profound subjects of science. Even in such a critical situation, in such a bad condition, he became the master of so many deep subjects of science, and numerous honorary doctorates and awards have been bestowed on him. Bestowed means conferred. Conferred or presented. Gift, award, reward, that is called the bestowed. And then numerous means many honorary doctorates. The highest degree given by the university, that is called doctorates. And so many awards have been conferred on him. He is a fellow of the Royal Society in London. Where is the Royal Society? In London. And Fellowship of the Royal Society is an award granted by the judges of the Royal Society of London to individuals. Individuals means to persons who have contributed substantial contribution, who have given their substantial contribution. Substantial means very remarkable contribution in the development or the improvement of natural knowledge, including mathematics, engineering science, and then medical science. Such a person, the fellowship is awarded, and he is a fellow member of that Royal Society. And he is also a member of the US National Academy of Sciences. See, in spite of being considered Einstein's equal in intelligence, Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Now, Dr. Hawking is no more in the world, but he will always in our memory because of his contribution in various fields and especially in the field of science. Guys, I hope that you understood what is Big Bang and how he got so many honorary degrees, awards in such a critical condition. Thank you.